Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn Tech with Hasi. So today's topic we have QUOTENAME function, and as you can see that we are starting QUOTENAME. So this function is available on all the SQL Server version, and this is the syntax you have. Okay, so QUOTENAME, the QUOTENAME and the character string and the what do you want to replace with. Okay, I will tell you this thing very well. Okay, so suppose you have a function like you can give like ABC, okay, and you are not providing any kind of function, automatically it will take square bracket. Okay, so you can, once you execute, you can see that this square bracket is taking. But mostly this function we will use when you need to add in dynamic query. So like this it will treat you as a string, so this will save us in SQL inject things. That is the different thing, no problem in that. We can we will be discussing those things in other videos, but this is the main scenario of this function. This is all about this, and I will give you some demo, like if you are using some data or like some SQL queries if I write. So but I will demonstrate that dynamic query in my upcoming videos. Okay, for that you need to subscribe my channel. Okay, so this is the QUOTENAME function which add these character, what all the character you will put, like the default it is square bracket. So this how this is working. This is QUOTENAME function. Another function we are seeing that we have one stuff function. This is very good function, and we are having this function in all the SQL Server version. Okay, and this is the syntax you have. Okay guys, you are aware of the substring that we are using, right? So stuff function, this is a very good function. It is like if you say ABC and ABCDEF something you can write, and now you want to start from second and you want to replace till third, and you are writing like MS. Okay, so what exactly it is doing that, see, it is starting from second position, and this SQL Server will go to the third position, and this will replace the value like MS. Okay, let's execute the query and check. See, the same way what is happening exactly I have already shown you, like A, B, C, D and till F we have written, right? So what we are doing, we are starting from the second position. So this is the first position A, now second, third and fourth. Now you have to start from one, like from second position we have to start, and we have to go till three characters. So this is selecting B, C, D and replacing MS, and the result is you can see the result. Now next function we have space. Okay, very basic function guys. In that space it is generating the space. You can give 5, 6 or 7 like that. Okay, so you are not able to see that I can understand that. So let's demonstrate some other thing, like we have already discussed about Concat, right? So if you haven't seen this function, you can click on I button and you can see this function. Okay, so like that I am writing like AS, okay, comma, now I want to put space. Okay, I want 5 spaces, and then I want to put like MS. Okay, close this and execute. See guys, you can see that we have generated 5 spaces between this. So 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so this is what these functions are like. QUOTENAME, we have the first one. Okay, so it is like adding some like brackets. By default it adds a square bracket. Okay, so if you execute, you can come to know that it is adding. If you want, you can change that too. Okay, so like this you can write. Okay, so you can execute and you can see that. Okay, next you have stub function, which is like if you give the whatever the position is, starting position you will give, from that position to that number of character, that SQL Server go and replace that many character with your given string. Okay, and then we have space, so it is nothing but just generate the space in your SQL Server. So this is the video for today. So thank you for watching, and please share and subscribe.